Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Khan Technical channel. This is Md Ariful Islam. Today's video is something very important for all of you who buy tech from online, especially from eBay. Recently I ordered a brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max from eBay UK. It's £929 and guess what, it turned out to be a clone, a fake phone. So I want to share my experience to help you avoid the same mistake. So the listing looked perfect. The seller had photo, description, everything looked like a genuine sealed an iPhone 17 Pro Max. The price wasn't crazy cheap, £929, which made it seem even more lazy. I thought, okay, good deal, let's go for it. When the package arrived, everything seems normal at first. The box looked real, but the moment I powered the phone on, I knew something was wrong. The interface was laggy, the setting looked off, the camera quality was now nowhere near Apple level, and then I checked the system info, completely fake. That's when it hit me. I got scammed. This was a clone phone. The seller is basically scamming people on the eBay UK marketplace in 2025. They advertise brand new Apple devices, but they are sending out cheap clone, and trust me, this clone look very real from the outside. This is a warning for everyone. If the seller is new, has no rating, or the deal looks too good, be careful. Always check seller history, review and return policy. As soon as I confirmed it was fake, I filled a return request. Thankfully eBay buyer protection worked, so I have already returned the phone and I'm now waiting for my refund. So the message is simple: be careful when buying iPhone or any expensive tech from eBay. There are genuine sellers, yes, but there are also scammers out. They are trying to take advantage of people. If you want me to make a full video on how to check if an iPhone is fake, let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe KTC's channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech updates, reviews and warning like this. Anyway, stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.